Welcome to our in-depth guide on how to start an online virtual assistant business. Today, we're going to take you through a comprehensive step-by-step journey that will help you launch your very own VA business. Let's start by understanding what a virtual assistant, or VA, really does. A VA is a professional who provides various services to entrepreneurs, SMBs, or companies from a remote location. These services can range from administrative tasks, managing emails, scheduling appointments, to digital marketing, and so much more. To start your journey, first identify your key skills. Are you great at organizing? Maybe you're a social media whiz or a master at customer service. Recognizing your strengths will help you market yourself as a VA. Next, you should identify your target market. Who are the clients you want to assist? Are they entrepreneurs, small businesses, or corporations? Different clients have different needs, and knowing your audience will help you tailor your services. This can be a professional website showcasing your services, client testimonials, and ways for potential clients to get in touch. Once you've set up your online presence, it's time to attract clients. Use social media, networking events, and online advertising to get the word out. And don't underestimate the power of a great testimonial. Lastly, remember that as a virtual assistant, you are also a business owner. This means managing finances, keeping up with taxes, and continually enhancing your skills. Starting a virtual assistant business is a great way to use your skills and work remotely. With careful planning and effective marketing, you can create a profitable and rewarding business. Thanks for joining us on this journey to starting your own VA business. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content like this.